Pressure correction in van der Waals equation. We are comparing a gas with ideal behavior to real gas behavior. If you compare a gas existing in ideal condition, every molecule which is present in the gas, if I observe, will move by its own speed and momentum and collides the walls of the container with the identity characteristic speed or characteristic momentum. So there is no force of attraction nor repulsion acting on the particles. So no particle will experience an outward pull or an inward pull, so that the molecules can move independently by their own velocity, by their own speed or momentum, and collides the walls of the container. And because of this, you can experience the maximum pressure. You can experience the maximum pressure exerted by the gas. Exerted by gas, and this is taken as ideal pressure. We take it as ideal pressure. But now when you compare the same statement, if I am taking in a real gas situation, this is your ideal. Now if I take a real gas, if I take a real gas, when a molecule is moving from a center, let us say this is the molecule which is present at the center. If it is moving towards the corner, if it is moving towards the corner, if the molecule is at the center, this molecule will be surrounded by all other molecules. We can see this molecule can be surrounded by here one molecule, here, 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 here. It will be surrounded by the molecules in all the directions, attract in all the directions equally, such that this molecule will not experience any repulsion nor attractions. They counterbalance with each other, and so the molecule is free to move when it is at the center of the container. In the middle of the container, a molecule will not experience any force of attraction, because the net force acting on the molecule will be equals to zero. Net force acting on the molecule is equals to zero. Now the molecule is free to move by its own momentum and speed. So the molecule moves freely with its own speed and momentum. Let us come to the second case. If I am taking the case, if it has reached to the corner, if it has reached to the corner, about to collide the walls of the container, this is the wall. If I am taking, it is about to collide the walls of the container, it has reached to the corner. If the same particle is taken over here, if this particle is about to collide with the walls of the container, now in this case what will happen, it is not the same thing which you can observe here. The particles will be surrounded only from behind. There is no particle who can surround on the other side, balancing the forces. So an unbalanced forces of attraction can be experienced. You can see the particle is being pulled more stronger inside. You can see the attractions will be dominating from inside. Because of these attractions are dominating from inside, it experiences an overall inward pull. Overall inward pull. Because of an overall inward pull, what will happen? The molecule strikes the wall. Molecule strikes the wall with less momentum. With less momentum. It strikes the wall with less momentum. Because of that, what will happen? You can experience the pressure observed is less than the pressure ideal which is expected. So now the observed pressure is less than the ideal pressure. So to equate this pressure, Pi can be written as the pressure observed, which is taken as the real pressure, plus some pressure correction. We need some pressure correction to be done. What is the pressure correction over here is, the pressure correction depends on two factors. One is the number of collisions per unit volume. It depends on two factors, number of collisions per unit volume, and number of molecules attracting per unit volume. number of molecules under attraction per unit volume. Number of molecules under attraction per unit volume. It depends on two things. So PC depends on two factors. So it is proportional to number of collisions per unit volume is number of molecules will be equals to number of collisions. How many molecules are about to collide the walls of the container? That many collisions are possible. And number of molecules per unit volume will be the involved in the attraction. So it will be proportional to n square by v square, which we can write Pc is equals to some constant A into n square by v square. Now you have the pressure correction A n square by v square. We can write ideal pressure is equals to the observed pressure plus A n square by v square. This is your pressure correction.